Hello and welcome to another edition of the Crosse Technologies Tech Talk, a show designed around answering your questions quickly and accurately. I'm Greg Piesel, and today we will be taking you through the basic setup to your new weather station. So, let's go! Before we get started, if you are viewing this video on YouTube, I want to direct your attention to the description below. Here you will find the times and descriptions to each of the steps that will be covered. Simply by clicking the blue highlighted time, you will jump ahead to that spot in this video. These work great if you're looking to find information on something specific. I should note, however, that if you're viewing this on a mobile device such as a phone or tablet, you will need to drag the red playhead to these times listed. But otherwise, just sit back and learn as we take you through each step of the setup process. Step 1. Insert 2 new AA batteries, according to polarity, into your outdoor sensor. Step 2. Insert 2 new AAA batteries, according to polarity, into the back of the weather station. Step 3. Check your outdoor sensor connection. The outdoor temperature and humidity information should show up within the first couple of minutes, and after which we recommend keeping the sensor close by for at least 15 minutes before moving the sensor to its outside location. This helps the station and sensor sync properly and ensures a strong connection. During this wait, it would be a good idea to configure your basic settings, which is Step 4. To enter the settings menu, press and hold the Set button for about 3 seconds. LCD and a number will begin to flash on screen. This stands for your LCD's contrast setting and is controlled by the plus button. The higher the number, the darker your digits will appear. Once you have this set to your liking, press and release the Set button to move to the hour setting. It's about 3:30 p.m. here, so I will use the plus button to move the hour to 3, making sure the PM indicator turns on. This indicator will turn on and off each time you move past the 12 o'clock hour, using the plus button. But now that I'm at 3 p.m., I will once again press and release the Set button to move to the minute selection. Here I'll again use the plus button to move the minutes to 30. Holding this down will make the numbers count up faster. Once at 30 minutes, I will press and release the Set button one final time to get out of the settings menu and save the changes I've made. Now that your station's settings are configured, and you've had the two parts synced for at least 15 minutes, you're ready to mount the outdoor sensor. Here's how. First, you will want to try and find a location on a north-facing wall or in any well-shaded area to avoid high temperature readings caused by the sun. Once you've found the perfect location, screw the provided mounting plate into your outside wall. After this is complete, gently snap the outdoor sensor into the holding pegs. You should hear a firm click. Make sure also that it is mounted vertically to allow for moisture to drain out properly. The maximum wireless transmission range from this sensor to your station is around 270 feet of open air. This does not account for walls, floors, windows, trees, or any other objects that may cause interference. Because of this, we do recommend temporarily putting your sensor in the location you'd like it to be, testing it for a few days to make sure it stays connected, before mounting it permanently. Now, before we go, let's talk about your minimum and maximum temperature readings. By default, your station will show the outdoor minimum and maximum temperature readings constantly in the lower right corner of your display. One thing to keep in mind is that these values are the highest and lowest readings the station has recorded since it was first powered on, or since it was last reset. These will not reset automatically. The station also records your indoor minimum and maximum temperature readings in the same way. To view these, simply press and release the Min-Max button on the front of your station. After the first press, you will see both your indoor and outdoor minimum temperature readings. Press the Min-Max button again to view your maximum temperature readings. A third press and release will bring you back to the main screen display. To manually reset these temperature records, press and hold the Reset button for 5 seconds. This will clear any past data and start you off with fresh minimum and maximum temperature readings. So there you go, you have just gone through the hardest part of setting up and using your new weather station. Don't forget to consult the instruction manual should you have further questions regarding details not covered in this video. But also, feel free to comment below with any issues or specific questions you may have. We're here to help you. In the meantime, we hope you enjoy your new weather station. I'm Greg Piesel, here for Crosse Technologies Tech Talk. We'll see you next time.